I really fancied some chips with chip shop curry sauce for my tea tonight, so I figured the chips would be cooked in a separate oil, but the curry sauce might not be vegan. So while I was in Tesco, I picked up some instant curry sauce granules and decided to make a tofu curry with it. To start with, I tore up my tofu pieces into small bite-sized pieces. I was only making this for me, so I only used half of a small block of tofu. I decided to try the boiling tofu method first before stir frying it, so I added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to a pan of boiling water with a good amount of salt, and then I added my tofu pieces. I simmered these for about 3 minutes. I then drained the tofu, let it cool for a couple of minutes and coated well with plain flour. To a hot wok with some vegetable oil, I've added half a roughly chopped onion. Then added my flour coated tofu pieces and stir fried until the onions and the tofu were starting to brown. Meanwhile, I made up my instant curry sauce with 2 tablespoons of the curry sauce granules and about 150 ml of water. I added this to the wok and stirred in, and then I added some frozen bird's eye garden peas. Curry was looking a little thick, so I added a little bit more boiling water and then just simmered this away for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Once this was cooked, I turned off the heat and went down to the chip shop to get some chips. This was an absolute nightmare, as the first chip shop that I went to that was near to me, I couldn't find a parking space. So after going round the parking lot 3 times, I had to drive into town and go to a different chip shop. Let me know if you liked this recipe and if you would give this quick curry recipe a go.